This is the ultimate automated plant watering system coded in MATLAB that reads and plots live soil moisture data from a moisture sensor that, if at a certain threshold, will turn on the motor, hence watering the plant. So here's the logic, the control flow, and how the program interfaces with the hardware. So the first step in my program is to initialize the Arduino object. Firstly, the program checks, and if Arduino object is not there, it assigns it to the variable A. Then the main loop that can run for days on end. Within this loop is a major conditional statement that turns on and off the pump depending on the reading. So if it is greater than the threshold of 3.3 volts, it means that the soil is dry, hence it waters the plant. Points that are seen on the graph were taken directly from doing the physical readings ourselves. Then from that, the most optimum value was chosen. After the control system waters the plant, the piezo buzzer and the OLED screen come into play as a sensory output. And then the while loop continues to plot data and check the state of the system. Then to help convert the voltage coming from the sensor into an estimated moisture percentage, this new file function call is used. Overall, there are two main state machines: the dry soil, which triggers when voltage is high, and the moist soil, when triggers when the voltage is low. From all the code, we get the live plot of what the sensor is reading directly onto the computer. On the hardware side, we have the brains, the Arduino IC, controlling the pump, the OLED screen, the piezo buzzer, and a lovely moisture sensor which communicates with the board itself, ultimately sending data over to us using the USB. And that is the automated plant that could theoretically live forever.